Hello everyone, this is Golam Kibriya. Today I am talking about a Facebook new feature which is Messenger Rooms. In Messenger Rooms, 50 people can join in a meeting. A host can invite 50 people on that meeting. That means only host can invite the people with just a link. That means a user who wants to connect the group video call, he need not to get an account on Facebook. He can only join with the meeting by clicking the link which is generated by host, and the host only can give the invitation to the users, and a user who already joined in the meeting can remove himself whenever he want, and a host can remove a user who already participated on the meeting can remove anytime by the interest of the host, and a host can change the background remove and using different AR effects on the video call, and without ID anyone can join on the video call, and this privacy is very active, and without the link and without the host permission anyone cannot join on the video call. With the video call we can connect 50 people and can do the video call unlimited time, but Facebook gives us the opportunity to do the video call for a lots of time. There is no time limit for the video call, and anyone can join by clicking the link, but without the permission of the host anyone cannot join. So this privacy system is very much good, and this facility already announced some of the countries, and in the few couple of weeks all over the world this feature is available. So let's welcome Messenger group facility and thank Facebook for giving us such this kind of opportunity to work home globally for our success. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel for getting new and new technology information. Thank you very much.